Hi, Ed Akehurst here again with another Genius Pages tutorial. In this one we're going to look at a new upgrade that was done to the software, which is Stripe integration. This is something new. If you've logged in since this happened, you'll see a warning here that you haven't linked the payment yet. You can click that button. Or if you don't see the warning, you can go to Settings, and you'll go to the page where you have your Zapier settings already in, and if you haven't done that yet, there's a video on that, and your payment settings. What you want to do is grab the publishable key from Stripe and the secret key from Stripe. Leave the webhook key alone. It'll be auto-filled by the system. So what you want to do is go to your Stripe account, go to, make sure you're in the right Stripe account that you want to associate with, and you're going to go down to Developers, and then to API Keys, and here's your publishable key and your secret key. If you click it, it'll just go to your clipboard, and you can go back to Genius Pages and paste that key in. Then you need your secret key, and you just click this Reveal Live Key token. It'll appear, and you do the same thing. You click it and copy it. I'm not going to do that live on the recording, and put it there, and then you just hit your update settings. So I'm going to do that off screen, and I'll be back momentarily. And we are successfully set up. I didn't show you the success page because the secret key appears there, but you'll get a confirmation that everything's set up after it verifies. It'll come back with a webhook key, it'll add that automatically, and you are done. It's that simple. In the next video, I'll show you how to create products, and then in the video after that, we'll show how to create checkout pages. See you on those videos.